Low code will always be a game changer in technology, and obviously less coding means easy, fast, and fun. Many times we underestimate the power of knowledge we have. Do you know 49.43% of people know how to use SQL, but only a few know how to escape the lengthy coding process? Well, we all know how flexible SQL is and what power it holds. And to make sure that you utilize your strength, Quixy is here with a brand new low-code feature. Let's see how you can manage the process of finding data source easily by using SQL Query. Step 1. Go to Database and select Create Database. Step 2. Select the optional query to create the data source using SQL Queries. Step 3. Write your queries. Step 4. Map your fields. These are headers in your data table. Step 5. Preview your data. You did it. Here's your data ready. Quixy always makes things easy. Amazing, isn't it?